The fastest RSV4 1100. This is by far the fastest RSV4 1100 I have ever ridden. Johnny's race bike. Finally, I get to give you a detailed walk around. I'm going to show you everything I possibly can in this walk around video. I will start that full titanium Spark exhaust system. The thing sounds unreal. This bike has one of a kind custom components. I'll point them out to you. And I'm also really excited to share with you my favorite part on this bike. In fact, I'm gonna do a really fast walk around of it right now. Can you guys guess? Comment below which part is my favorite, easily my favorite. Comment below. I will tell you at the end of this video which is my favorite part. We looked right at it. Anyway, big thanks to Johnny he bought this bike from us, I don't know, maybe 10 months ago. It's a 2022 RSV4 1100 base model. Man, what a process. But look at this. It is, for me, the best looking RSV4 track bike right now. Also, big thank you to Slipstream Design and Lieto Factory. So Slipstream designed it. I'll link them below. And Lieto Factory did the wrap job. So yeah, this is a wrap, not a paint job. Why don't we start with a close-up of the wrap and livery design. Johnny, American flag, Moto Club Santa Monica, Creative Scalps. That's Johnny's company out of Arizona, and I think other parts of the country. But look at this. Isn't this freaking beautiful? I love it. That high vis, I guess it's orange. I don't know. It's like I mean, it pops. The sun came out in beautiful Santa Monica, California for this. 34 is the race number he chose. Look at that design. Incredible wrap job. I was really impressed with Lieto Factory's work here. There are some, you know, imperfections, but you're gonna get that with wrap, especially with such intricate fairings like the RSV4. But huge thanks and big applaud to Lieto Factory. They're kind of cornering the market here, and at least here in Southern California, and I think they also travel. That is the design and wrap work. A few more. So at a glance, forged lightweight wheels by Aprilia Racing. That's what those are. The base model does not come stock with those. Johnny chose the black. We also went with custom FRENTUBO no ABS brake lines. These are the Kevlar sleeve FRENTUBO brake lines out of Italy, direct to the calipers. Let me try to show you the front brake master cylinder side. So here's the custom part. This is the direct from the master cylinder to the caliper custom brake line. Massive thanks to FRENTUBO in Italy. They worked with us. It took a couple of shipments and a few different tries to get the perfect fitment, but there you have it. Thank you, FRENTUBO. They now have the specs to offer these non-ABS brake line kits for your 2021 and up RSV4s and Tuono V4s, I suppose. Lightweight rear brake rotor. What else? K-Tech rear shock. I'll link the product in the description below, but there you have it. We went with K-Tech. You see that exhaust turning blue? Love that titanium exhaust. K-Tech front forks as well. Guys, I rode this bike at Corta. I'll link that video here if it's available. So much fun. This bike is an absolute freaking rocket. Rizoma brake lever guard. Brembo 19 RCS Corsa front brake master cylinder. Jetprime right side race buttons. Jetprime keyless ignition button. Jetprime left hand switches. You don't lose any functions at all. CRG adjustable clutch lever. Bonamici Clip-Ons. We will get a triple clamp on this bike. Oh, and I can't forget, autographed by Maverick Vinales at Corta. I'll add a picture of Johnny with Maverick after the signing here. It was so much fun. Again, if you guys have to watch the video of me riding this bike at Corta with Raul Fernandez, Maverick, Vinales, and other awesome people. Big thanks to Aprilia Americas for always putting on an incredible event. Yeah, that was sick. Let's talk about the bodywork real quick. So guys, the bodywork was, I don't want to say a disaster because it's on and it looks good, but the amount of money it took Johnny to pay a painter to prepare, to correct, to smoothen out this race bodywork, I mean, it cost him a lot of money. It was really rough. Honestly, it's we've done bodywork before by other brands and have not had such difficulty. So I cannot recommend this brand. I know they have, you know, they're a big company and they offer great stuff for different models, but for this particular bike, it was rough. Anyway, what else? Spider rear sets. These are our top two favorite rear sets, Spider and Extreme Components. They're thick, firm, adjustable enough. They're just tight. They work really, really well. Johnny was inspired by the RSV4X and the X Trenta, which, by the way, we have several of those arriving within the next month or two, so stay tuned for all of that madness. Let's look at the clutch side real quick. So Spider rear set. Originally, we used a regular shift pattern rear set. With Spider, you have to decide if you want GP shift or standard shift. We started with standard and then switched it to GP using a Woodcraft GP shift adapter, which is what you see here, this black and aluminum section. What else? CBE factory front sprocket cover and shifter mechanism support down there for, I guess, improved shifting. That was new to me. Superlite 520 conversion kit with a DID ERV7 gold chain, GB Racing engine cover on this side, carbon fiber front fender. So there are two things we still need to do to this bike. One is the triple clamp. I'm kind of insisting on that. We're gonna add clear tank grips to it. If you see my onboard video of riding this bike at Corta, pay attention to when I'm accelerating down the back straight. The reason why I get so shaky is because I'm trying to hold on to those dang clip-ons while sliding backwards. That's when you really need tank grips. Real quick, what you can't see is the Samco radiator hose kit. I believe it's a Sprint race air filter we put in it. We also went with the Gabriel Racing race map. Runs phenomenally. If you guys want to see me take this thing to the dyno, like, subscribe, and comment below. If I get enough requests, I will take this to the dyno for you guys. Now for the Spark full titanium exhaust system. This went on pretty well, no issues. Beautiful exhaust. Now let's turn it on for you guys. Real quick, if you appreciate me bringing out a fully built race bike out here to give you a walk around and other cool content, do me a big favor, please hit the like and subscribe button to let me know that you like this kind of stuff, and I promise I'll do more of it for you guys. Thank you so much, I appreciate you. Now let's get back to it. That Spark exhaust does sound good, but let's be honest, what exhaust does not sound good on an Aprilia V4? We actually just ordered a Spark slip-on exhaust for Johnny's 2022 2.0 V4, which I'll share with you guys soon enough. What else? I'm forgetting something. What do we see here? CNC Racing front brake caliper spacers. Oh, T-drive rotors. So I need to talk about this for 1 second. Guys, if you haven't seen it already, I'm gonna link it here again, and I'll probably link it at the end of this video. I rode this bike at Corta, okay? The Monday after the MotoGP weekend. The thing that stood out to me was this bike's braking power. Insane. I was just warming up. And each lap I kept going a little faster and braking a little deeper, and the bike just didn't give a shit. It wanted me to brake later and later and later. T-drive rotors, Brembo race pads, Brembo 19 RCS, FRENTUBO, ABS delete brake line kit, Kevlar brake line kit, mind you. I'm sure that makes a difference when you're trying to haul ass at high temperatures. Almost forgot the steering stabilizer. We replaced the stock one. The stock stabilizers on these base model RSV4s and most base model sport bikes, they don't work. We used an Öhlins, which is for a 2019 RSV4 factory. Check it out. It's in the same position as the stock one, but now it's Öhlins, fully adjustable, and it actually works. Highly recommended, essential for any bike with this much power. All right, now I think I can show you my favorite part on this motorcycle. Hold on a second, what else? Cox Racing radiator guards. All right, let me show you my favorite thing. I guarantee you did not guess this. Watch this, watch. Watch this, guys, watch. This is my favorite thing about this bike by far. Watch. It's got a freaking side stand. It's a fully built track bike, but thank you so much, Johnny, for letting us retain the freaking side stand. Thank you so much. It makes life a lot easier, both at track days and around the shop. So obviously I'm not gonna do my onboard ride back to the shop, but I'm telling you, the onboard footage I got of this bike at Corta, boom, I'll link it here at the end of this video. Man, what am I forgetting? Comment below. I'll make corrections in the description. Again, thank you, Johnny. I know I'm forgetting something, but it's all good. Please like and subscribe if you appreciate this type of content, me bringing out a fully built track bike out to the public in beautiful Santa Monica, California, so you can see and hear this thing. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you in the next one.